Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim this Heartopia Sweet White Day Return gift. In Heartopia, of course. So this is the redemption code. Go to your watch and go to settings and go to redeem code, and I'm just going to paste this code. It's Sweet Gift 314U redeem, and you're just going to check your mailbox for rewards. Here is what you can get: the snow feather rose, some sparklers, and fireworks. I don't see a big use for it, but if you like fireworks and flowers, you can absolutely redeem that code. I think there's also another one here for the weekly benefits, which I'm just going to claim quickly. And it is this. I'm just going to paste it in the comment section, probably the description box actually. But I'm going to redeem it and I'll get like the mermaid attractor, some wishing stars, and fertilizers. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.